the joys that I am going to be working on today is trying to unsort, or should I say reorganise, all these gems that have got mixed into each other. And this, it's like fish and chips wrapped up. So when I moved, I unboxed and this must have fallen out, so they kind of put them in paper. So while watching a movie, while recovering, I'm going to be sorting out my gems. I mean, wish me luck. I'll show you the end result. Believe it or not, I'm at the halfway mark. These have all been painstakingly sorted. They're as they're meant to be, and I still have now to go through this, sort these few tiny ones out, and then do this. Oh my gosh, that's going to be at least another day's work if I want to make sure I capture them all individually. Anyway, on with it. I finally done it after 3 days hard work sorting it all out. Mind-numbingly boring. Wanted to chuck it all in the bin. I am organised and things are where they're meant to be, and because I've been using up some of my spice, I've got spare ones now to be able to fill up with more gems as and when needed. Wow. What is some of the things that you hate doing in your creative space to try and keep you organised? Let me know. Anyway, I will see you on the next video. See you later. Bye bye.